In order to buy Tron, you will use the Voyager app, and you can click the link down in the description box below in order to purchase it. But you will pretty much just come onto the app and you will see the coins and assets on the home page. You will click over here in the search bar and you will type in Tron. The symbol for it is TRX. And then you will come over to the page. You will click on the bottom and click Buy TRX. You will fund your account. I'm just going to type in an amount that's not in my account so that you guys can see, and you would end up clicking on deposit funds. Once you're done with that, you would type in the amount and then click slide to deposit, and very shortly after it would put the money into your account so then you could execute the transaction. It connects to your bank via Plaid, but I am going to just use the money that I currently have in here to buy 91 Tron, and I'm just going to slide it. And it says your market buy is been completed. So then you would just go to history, and now I can see what I have purchased on here. If it's not showing up, you can just click refresh, and that is it.